Let's see how to use templates in PowerPoint with Copilot. I'm creating a new presentation here, but first of all I'll go to File and New and access my company template. Your company template may be stored in a different location. And I can tell it's got all of the template options here because when I go to New Slide I can see the different options available. I'll use the Copilot Assistant and create a new presentation. My topic will be New Zealand and winter sports. Because I started with the template and then built the content on top, when I generate the slides, it's going to incorporate the template into the slides. So all my company colors have been used and the fonts are correct. And if I need to add more slides or change any layouts, I can go to this button here and I've got my template suite available.